How to add member in Telegram group without contacts. If you have been using the Telegram and now you are wondering on how to add people on the groups without the contacts, then this tutorial is for you. So let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram application just like this. After that, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to add member in Telegram group, open one of the group where you want to add people just like this. Then tap on to this option here. Now select it. Then here you can find add members just right here. Now select it. Now to add people without the contacts, simply tap on to the search bar right here at the top and type the name of the person just like this and simply select them and simply tap on to done. And this is how you can add members in the Telegram group without the contacts. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.